Today I'm going to do our first bee inspection of our two brand new hives. It has been 9 days since we first installed the bee packages. The main thing for today's inspection is to make sure both queens are alive and doing their job, as well as provide them more sugar water to help them start out strong. It can be very difficult to find a queen among the other bees. A lot of people will have their queen bees marked before they get them or mark them after they get them. However, we did not. And I will be honest with you, we did not spot either of the queens during our inspections because I wanted to get done and disturb them as little as possible since these are new hives. Just because we did not spot the queens doesn't mean that we did not understand that both queens are alive and doing their jobs. This is because we understand the life cycle of the bees. If you understand the life cycle of a bee and what to look for, then just because you might not see the queen, you can at least see the signs that she is doing her job. Of the two beehives, one of our hives were clearly further along than the other, simply because I had to manually release the queen out of the package, which gave the other queen a head start on producing new bees. The first hive that we looked at was the weakest one. They had about 2 frames of comb drawn. When looking at the comb, we could see eggs were visible, which gave us a good indication that the queen was at least laying. We did not see any larvae within the first hive. It was a little concerning to see that the first hive wasn't as strong as I intentionally thought it was. From the outside, it looked like the bees were a lot stronger from this particular hive. However, I was at least pleased to know that the queen bee was alive and at least laying eggs. There was a remarkable difference in how far along the second hive was compared to the first hive when we inspected it. The bees had drawn out comb on 3 of the frames. We also saw some larvae as well as eggs within this hive. This was a very welcome sight. As new beekeepers, we were nervous about what to expect and what to do if something bad would happen to one of or both of our queens. We are by no means experts at beekeeping. I'm sure that we will make plenty of mistakes along the way, and we will make sure to share our lessons learned as we come to them. We quickly finished up our first inspection by adding more sugar water to the top feeder. We know that beekeeping can appear to be overwhelming. However, the benefits that bee provide far outweighs the work involved. Please stay tuned for upcoming bee videos as we navigate the new beehive world together. As always, we here at Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thank you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.